Today we are going to see how to file monthly ESIC return online and how to generate Challan for the payment. The due date of filing ESIC return will be 15th of every month following the salary month. Now we are going to file ESI return for the month of June 2021. Please watch till end without skipping the video. Then only you can understand each and every corner of filing process. After watching the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Enable the bell icon. You will get real-time notifications when I upload new videos. I am Sabu Joseph. Welcome to SVJ Academy. Hundreds of practical and useful videos relating to income tax, TDS, EPF, ESI, Microsoft Excel and other accounting classes are available in my channel. Kindly watch it and drop your comments. A Facebook group is also available. Kindly join the group. More than 4,700 members already joined the group. You can share your ideas, doubts on the group. Let's go to our session. Before going to the e-filing portal of ESIC, first of all, we have to create monthly contribution list of employees as per the templates given by the ESIC. For the templates, you have to log into the portal. After login to the portal, go to the monthly contribution tab. Under monthly contribution tab, you can see file monthly contribution. Click on monthly contribution. Here you can see sample MC Excel template. Download this MC template. MC means monthly contribution. So MC template, monthly contribution template. Open the template. On the template, we can see instructions. Kindly refer all these instructions and go to sheet 1. On the sheet 1, the first column will be IP number. The second is IP name. Third is number of days for which wages paid or payable during the month. The total monthly wages. The recent code for 0 working days and the last working day. On this template, you have to copy and paste the IP number of employees, their respective name, the number of days they worked during the month and the total monthly wages payable to them. This data you can get from your software or from payroll. Whatever it is, we have to fill all these details. Here I am using my own payroll utility. From that utility, we can get each and every data for filling the MC template. This is the data which is given on the payroll. The same template I have included to the payroll. Here you can see all the IP numbers, name, number of days they worked and the total monthly wages. Here some of the employees have no IP number because they are not registered. It is showing the message as not registered. And some of the employees are not eligible. Their monthly salary greater than 21,000. So they are not eligible for the ESIC contribution. Now what we have to do, I am excluding the employees who are not registered with the ESIC and also the employees who are not eligible for the ESIC. Now we got the list of employees which is to be filed for the month of June. Here you can see some employees have no working days and there is no salary. So if there is no salary or if there is no working days, we have to give the reason for the 0 working days. So we have to give the reason code which is mentioned on the MC template. Go to the downloaded MC template. On the instruction tab, we can see the reason and code. So when the employee is on leave, we have to assign the code number 1. And if they left the service, we have to assign the code number 2. And if they are retired, we can assign code number 3. So go to these instructions. As per the situation, we have to give the code. Now this employee is on leave. So we have to assign the code 1. They are on leave. After validating all IP numbers with the respective data, just copy the data from here and paste it to the template we downloaded now. Now it is pasted here. When we paste the data to the MC template, one thing we have to remember, the data should be in text format only. Now you can see the IP numbers are in text format. The numeric data which is under text form will be at the left indent only. So this data will be whether it is on text format or in numerical format. Whatever it is, we have to do one thing, change everything to text format. For that, go to data tab, go to text to column. Here you can see text, finish it. Now everything is changed to text format and convert the monthly wages to text format. Select it, text to column, delimited, click on next, click on next. Here select text, then click on finish. Now it is changed to text format. After changing all the numerics to text format, log into the ESIC portal. Now we log into the ESIC portal. Here select the wage month and year, and here you can see upload Excel. Click on upload Excel, choose the file. Now we selected the file, then click on upload. Do not refresh or close the browser. Press OK to continue. Click on OK. Now you can see without any error the file is validated. Now click on submit. Contribution once submitted cannot be altered or deleted. Click on the checkbox data verified, then click on submit. Your request is being processed. Please wait for a while. Press OK to continue. Click OK. Monthly contribution uploaded successful. Now close the window. Again go to the ESIC portal. Now we have completed the first step, file monthly contribution. We have to go to the second step, generate Challan. So click on generate Challan. Here you can see the employer code. Click on view. Now we can see the contribution for the period of June, which is uploaded now, its amount and the payment due date 15th July. Now select the checkbox of June 2021. Now you can see the amount is loaded here. Total amounts to be paid. Here we have to enter the same amount. After entering the amount here, click on submit. Your request is being submitted. Please wait. Okay. Now the Challan number generated. This is the Challan number for future reference. And here we can see the list of banks. Only few banks are displayed here. Suppose the name of your bank not displayed here. What we will do? Here we can see State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, IDBI, Axis Bank, HDFC Retail Bank, HDFC Corporate Bank, ICICI, Canara Bank. Only 8 bank names we can see here. If the name of your bank not displayed here, how can we make the payment? So that we can go to our bank through the State Bank of India aggregator. So select State Bank of India, then click on continue. Now it will go to the State Bank of India net banking portal. Here we can see 2 options. SBI Net Banking, Other Bank. Click on Other Banks. Here on the Other Bank list, you can see the name of all the banks which is available in India. Here you can select your bank and make the payment. Now it will go to the net banking portal. You can do as usual with the net banking site. Now we completed the payment. Suppose we are not making the payment now. We are making the payment later because somebody may file the return and somebody may make the payment. In such a cases, what we will do? For that, open the ESIC portal. This is the ESIC portal. Here you can see under quick links, pay each Challan. Click on pay each Challan. Here give the employer code and give the captcha, then search. Now you can see the Challan we submitted now, that is pending for the payment. Click on the Challan link. Again it will go to the net banking portal. You can complete the payment now. So on the right time we can make the payment or later we can make the payment. After the payment, go to the third step, view contribution history. Under contribution history, select the wage month, year, then view. Now you can see the list of employees which if we filed now. Click on print and you can print the contribution history as well as you can download the contribution history as PDF. So click on print. Here select all pages. Okay. It will open a PDF file. Now you can see the PDF. Here you can print the PDF as well as you can download it. Now the monthly contribution downloaded in PDF that we can use for the future purpose. This is only a simple process to file the ESIC return. But the MC template Excel file should be accurate. The numerics should be in text format, and also any employee who left the service or any employee who is not eligible for the contribution or on leave should be properly marked, then file the return. You can successfully file the return without any error. Otherwise, it will show error one by one. If the video is useful, please like, share and drop your comments, and requesting to subscribe my channel and kindly enable the bell icon to get real-time notifications. Kindly go through the videos. So many practical videos are available in my channel. Kindly go through each video. You can study very well. After watching the video, you please do yourself. If you have any doubt, please drop a comment on the comment box. I will respond to you. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.